This video, I want to show you guys how I made $400 in first week on CLICKBANK, and this method is really easy. It is also free and beginner friendly, so I highly recommend you guys to watch this video till end if you're trying to make some extra income with affiliate marketing. So make sure to watch this video till end. And also, if you're new to my YouTube channel, guys, make sure to press that subscribe button because we upload daily videos on this channel on how to make money online, how to make money on CLICKBANK, so you don't want to be late for that upcoming methods. So make sure to press that subscribe button. So let's jump straight into this video, guys. So if you're new to the CLICKBANK, what is CLICKBANK? It is an affiliate marketing network where you can find CLICKBANK products, promote them, get your affiliate link, send people to your affiliate link, and if they buy the product, you're going to earn high commissions. So I want to show you guys how to create CLICKBANK account. If you don't have one, it is really easy to create one. Just go on clickbank.com. You're going to see a page like this. Click on create account. And right here, enter your information. Make sure to enter everything correctly. And also you can see everything is 100% free, so you don't need to worry about paying for anything or something like that. So everything here is free. So now when you have created CLICKBANK account, I want to show you guys this, let's call it a weird method that you can use to promote CLICKBANK products. So when you go on affiliate marketplace, you can see a lot of categories that you can go and pick if you want to promote them, but I'm going to go for this method with some random ones. So let's click on most popular products, and right here you can see this product right here is at the moment most popular product on CLICKBANK. So let's do a quick research of should you promote this product or not, and I want to teach you guys how you can do a research if this product is good or not. So first thing that you're going to see is this average per sale. So that is not most important part, but that is how much money you're going to earn. So that is one of the most important parts about promoting CLICKBANK products. But the most important thing that you want to search is this number right here. So this is gravity numbers. So it doesn't matter how much money you're going to earn. If this product doesn't sell, you're not going to earn any money whatsoever. So I want to show you guys and explain you guys why this number is really important. So this gravity number shows us how many people or affiliates just like you are promoting this product, and they're promoting it successfully, so they're getting sales. So this number right here is really high for this product, and I wouldn't promote anything, let's say below 20 or something like that. So only if it's new product. So this gravity number right here is really high, 513. That means that a lot of affiliates are promoting this product and they're getting sales. So that is really something really important. So also what you want to do is you want to watch this average per sale. So $61, that is how much money you're going to make per sale. And also what you want to do is you want to check out this average percentage per sale. So 48% per sale, that is going to be this $61. So that means that people usually spend over $100 on this product. So I want to show you guys how this landing page looks like and why it is one of the best landing pages that you can find. So first thing, you can see they have talked about what is this product. So basically 5-second hack how to lose weight. So nothing really special in the title, but it is also eye-catching. So right here you can see there the main focus is on the video, and they're showing how you can lose weight. So they're going to have some advertisement for the product that is probably going to be around 30 minutes, and they're going to explain how this product is going to help them. So at the bottom right here, you probably won't see this if you have clicked first time on this CLICKBANK product, because they are going to show it after 5 or 7 minutes, because you don't want to show your customer that you're trying to sell them something right away. So you want to wait like 5 minutes, and then this is going to appear, and you can see what average people spend on this product is around $198. So this is the best value for the product, and on $198 you're going to earn 48% commission if they buy the product. So I want to show you guys why is this amazing landing page for this CLICKBANK product. You can see they have many reviews, and they have talked about how this product helped them and why is it a good product. So they have explained everything. They have many questions that usually people ask, and they're answering them right here. So that is something really important, and I really like the landing page for this product. So that is how you can do a research if this product is good or not to promote. So next thing that you want to do is you want to create some system where you can promote this product. So I want to show you guys this weird method, and that is going to include Gmail account. So if you don't have Gmail account, make sure to create one, because we are going to use it for this method. So next thing, when you create this free Gmail account, you want to go and log in. You're going to click right here on the settings, click again on settings, and right here you can see, let's scroll it to the bottom, you can see this right here, sending automated replies on incoming messages. So we're going to use this method, this weird method. Whenever someone sends you an email, you're going to reply them automatically. So you're going to reply them right away, and I want to show you guys how powerful this method can be. So you want to go and click on activate. So you want to activate this autoresponder, and usually people, I have autoresponder that I pay with the money because it is much better and easier to use some software than this Gmail method. But if you don't have any money, you're going to use this free method. So what we want to do now is we want to enter right here subject and message. So when someone sends you an email, you're going to reply them with an article, and you're going to send them to your affiliate link. So I want to show you guys what are we going to do with this method. So we're going to come back on CLICKBANK, and we want to click on this affiliate page right here. So click on that. It is going to take some time. You can enter whatever first name and email you want. It doesn't really matter. And then what we want to do is you want to scroll to the bottom and find articles for this product. So you can see written content, article 1. So we want to copy this title right here, paste it in our title right here, and we want to copy the whole text, the whole article. So this is just a promotional tool for this product. So I want to show you guys how you can use this article to promote your CLICKBANK product. So what we want to do now is we want to replace whenever they say the name of the product right here, and right here, you want to replace it with your affiliate link, and you can put call to action, let's call it button. So when someone clicks on our call to action, you're going to send them to your affiliate link. So the first thing that we want to do, now let's replace everything with our affiliate link. So we want to come back on CLICKBANK, and you want to click on promote right here. So enter your CLICKBANK ID that you're going to use to generate sales, and click on generate hop link. So we're going to copy this affiliate link, and what you want to do is you want to come back on your email and replace everything with your affiliate link. So we have replaced this one Now we need to replace this one. Click right here, paste your affiliate link, and do it also for this one. You also want to post your affiliate link on this call to action. So let's do it also. And when someone clicks on these 4 links, you're going to send them directly to this landing page of the product that looks like just like this. So that is how we're going to send people with automated system to our landing page. So this is how we this is going to be our landing page. Basically, we're going to whenever send, just to explain you guys how this works. This is a customer sends you email right away. You reply them in a second with your email, and then they're going to see this article. They're going to click on your affiliate link, and when they buy the product, you're going to earn commission. So that is how this method basically works. It is really easy. So when someone buys the product, you earn $61. So now guys, I want to explain you guys how you can get this traffic for free, because you need people to send you emails. So how you can collect people to send you emails, basically YouTube. So we're not going to create any content. We are not going to upload anything. I want to show you guys how you can get some traffic to your affiliate link right away. So we're going to use YouTube to find customers to send you emails. Then you're going to reply them with your email with autoresponder that we have created, and then we are going to earn commissions when they buy the product. So now I'm going to show you guys how you can go and use YouTube comments to get some people. So you can see on any other videos, people are posting these comments just to show you guys. They're usually promoting their website. So you can see this guy right here, he's promoting his website, and whenever someone goes on this website, he's going to earn commissions when someone buys the product. So I want to show you guys how you can do this method too. So first thing that you want to do is you want to find what niche you're in. So basically supplements, how to lose weight. What you want to do is you want to go on YouTube, search on weight loss, and you don't want to search for these old videos. For example, this video is 8 years old. That means that it is not going to get traffic that much. So what you want to do is you want to find some of the newer videos. For example, this one, reduce belly fat instantly. So I want to show you guys, this basically video is about how to lose weight. And what are we going to do with this video is we're going to post a comment with, hey, I have found amazing method how to lose weight in 2020. If you want to learn if you want to learn how I did lose weight, email me. And you want to post your email address. For example, this is not my email address, but just an example. And you want to leave your email address, and you want to say for I will send, and you want to press on comment. So you can see right here in comment selection, when someone sends you an email address, you're going to reply them with your autoresponder. So you send people from YouTube to email, they send you guys email address, and you reply them with autoresponder with your affiliate link. So that is basically the system that I have created to get sales. Now, You need to know this because if you go and spam a lot of videos with your email address and with the same message, you're going to get ghosted. That is 100%. So what you want to do is you want to go and post, let's say, 2 or 3 comments just like this every single day, and you want to change them a little bit. You don't want just to go and copy and paste this message. You want to change them a little bit and include your email address. So when someone finds your comment and they send you email, you're going to earn commission when they buy the product. So I want to show you guys also why is this really important, because these videos are getting a lot of views. So you're going to watch for the videos that are getting a lot of views. And this video has 742,000 views that want to lose belly fat. They want to lose weight. So basically they are watching this video because they want to lose weight. So you're providing them the right program that is going to help them lose weight, but they need to send you guys email address. So they're going to send you guys something like, hey, how can I lose weight? Can you help me? And you're going to reply them right away with your autoresponder. And once you reply them, if they buy the product, you're going to earn commission. So what you can also do is you can go and with some other YouTube channels, you can go and upvote your own comment. So it is going to rank on the top of the comment selection. And that way, a lot of people are going to see it because you have ranked your videos where people can actually see it. So that is how you can get some traffic to your affiliate link very easily for free, guys. So if this is something that you're interested in, how to make money online, how to make money on YouTube and ClickBank, that is something that you're interested in, make sure to click the first link in the description. And also, if you're new to my YouTube channel, guys, make sure to press that subscribe button, because we upload daily videos on this channel on how to make money online, how to make money with ClickBank and many other methods. So make sure to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. See you soon and bye.